Hey, welcome back. So today I have another DIY for you. So if you guys are interested in seeing this DIY, just keep on watching. That I picked up from Dollar Tree. I'll also be using this fine glitter here as well as this jumbo glitter. You guys, I have this whole bag of leftover picks here from other projects, and I'm just going to use these to decorate my containers. Now I'll be taking 2 of these candle stands from the Dollar Tree. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is just taking this old trash can that is from the Goodwill. This thing is really heavy, and as you can see, it's a little bit dinged up. So going in with my fine glitter Mod Podge mixture. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this lovely DIY. If you have, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. What are you doing?